Hello, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to open a short position. That will be open a position by selling stocks or options, but in this case we're going to sell stocks. So let's suppose you have received, and we're using the ThinkorSwim Mobile platform for iPhone of Ameritrade. Let's suppose that we received a boost from Money Grande saying sold to open CSCO at 49.98. It says sold to open. Basically, you are opening a position, selling something that you don't have, so you are going short. Very, very important to identify that instead of buying to open, you're selling to open, sold to open. So to sell this, we can see we're here in positions and we don't have that position. We're actually going short on that stock. So we go to watch list and in quick quote, we write the ticker CSCO. Hit click there and we're going to sell to open. So we go to sell and we're taking positions for these tutorials of around $2,000, and right here we would be receiving 4,500. So that's about double of what we want to, the position that we want to open. So we go into the box where it says 100, and let's say 48 minus 48. See what that gives us. 2,200. Let's do it a little bit less. 45 stocks. That's $2,000 that I will receive. So just to confirm, I'm selling, it's red, limit order 45 shares of Cisco CSCO at 45.90. The lock is open. This is a limit order. It's a day order and the exchange is passed. Everything looks okay. I hit confirm. Confirmation tells me that I'm selling 45 Cisco at 45.90 to open. Very important. I'm selling to open, so I'm going short on this. And everything looks well. I hit paper trade. The order was sent. I hit close, but it hasn't been filled. So I go to working. And I see that right now that is going for 45.90 and my order is at 45.90. So I should be getting filled pretty quickly from now. I'm gonna wait a couple minutes. If it doesn't get filled, I will just go. Let me do this, so I'll show you how to do it. I hit there, cancel replace order. I open the lock and 45.91. Let me lower it because I want the price to on my order to fill. So I just lowered it a couple of cents, and indeed it got filled at 45.89, so 1 cent below what I was doing. And that's how you tweak the price and you actually sell short a stock using the ThinkorSwim Mobile application of Ameritrade for iPhone. Thank you.